Yuzhen Furniture, professional manufacturer of campus furniture, established in 1991. We have 35 years of experience in campus furniture manufacturing. All desk panels of Yuzhen Furniture are made of the all-grade environmentally friendly boards and are integrated into one using a computer. Numerical control automatic edge banding machine. All plastic parts are molded using automated injection molding machines with high-temperature hot pressing. Equipped with intelligent system control, stable performance, high efficiency, and energy saving. The metal panel is automatically cut using a Hans fully automatic laser cutting machine without the need for manual intervention. With high precision, smooth incisions, and now burrs, paired with RACOS fully automatic bending machine production line. The bending machine can be equipped with German Delem DA-6T or HNC intelligent bending control system, fully automated production process, and higher accuracy. The pipe material is cut using a Hans fully automatic laser cutting machine with fully automatic feeding and no need for manual intervention, ensuring stable and precise cutting of the material. The high-speed automatic bending machine can automatically bend pipes to the design angle with high speed and efficiency, high processing accuracy, and strong flexibility. After bending to the design angle, the pipe enters the welding process. All metal parts of Yuzhen Furniture are automatically welded using Panasonic robots, which are high speed, stable, and have small errors. Welded metal parts need to be surface treated with automatic sandblasting equipment to achieve cleaning, rust removal, deburring, increase surface roughness, and improve the adhesion of metal surface coatings. The processed metal parts will be surface painted using fully automated spraying equipment. The coating is uniformly attached to the metal surface through atomization, and then cured at high temperature to achieve green, environmentally friendly, and odorless coloring treatment.